Integrating Google Analytics tracking code is a crucial step in understanding your website's traffic and behavior. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, you need to create a Google Analytics account. If you already have a Google account, you can sign in and create a new Analytics account. Otherwise, you will need to create a new Google account. Go to the Google Analytics website and follow the sign-up process. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to fill in your website's information, including the name, URL, and industry category. This information will help you to track your website's data accurately. Next, you will receive your tracking code, which is a unique string of numbers and letters. This code is used to identify your website and track its data. You will need to copy this code and paste it into the header of your website's HTML. This will allow Google Analytics to track your website's traffic and behavior. To install the tracking code, you will need to access your website's HTML. If you are using a content management system such as WordPress, you can use a plugin to install the tracking code. Otherwise, you will need to manually add the code to your website's header. After installing the tracking code, you will need to verify your website's ownership. This can be done by uploading an HTML file to your website's root directory or by using a meta tag. Verifying your website's ownership will ensure that your Google Analytics account is linked to your website and that you are tracking the correct data. Once you have installed and verified the tracking code, you can start tracking your website's data. Google Analytics provides a range of reports and metrics, including page views, bounce rates, and conversion rates. You can use these reports to understand your website's traffic and behavior and make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence. Best practices for using Google Analytics include setting up goals and events to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or button clicks. You should also use filters to exclude internal traffic and ensure that your data is accurate. Additionally, you can use segmentation to analyze specific groups of users and understand their behavior on your website. By following these steps and best practices, you can integrate Google Analytics tracking code and start tracking your website's data. This will provide you with valuable insights into your website's traffic and behavior, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and improve your online presence.